In this video, I'll show you how to connect systematically into Figma using the Systematically Bridge plugin. Here's the project we'll be working with. It has 3 token sets. First, typography, headings and body. Then a color set, brand colors plus semantic ones, and a spacing set. To connect systematically to Figma, we need an API key. Let's go to the workspace settings. Under Settings, API Keys. Click Create New API Key. Name it whatever you want. The default is fine for now. Here's the key. And this is important. Copy it now, because once you close this dialog, the key won't be shown again. Over in Figma, we have a file with no variables yet. Let's open the Systematically Bridge plugin. The plugin asks for an API key. Paste it in and sign in. Now it asks which project and file to connect to. We only have one project here, our workspace, and I'll select the primitives file we were just looking at. And there they are. Let me expand this a bit so we can see everything. We've got all our variables listed here. And our styles too, in this case typography styles. You can also see the color tokens and the spacing tokens. Everything from all 3 token sets, each as a Figma collection. Let's sync all. And done! All styles and variables created in one click. Let's verify. If we inspect the text style, we can see that all the variables are plugged in correctly. And opening the Figma Variables panel, every variable is here. Colors, spacing, typography. Variable scopes are set automatically too. Here, the typography scope is applied. If we check a spacing variable, gap scope, exactly what we'd expect. And for colors, where we didn't define a more specific scope, Figma leaves it open. That's expected. Now let's make a change and see how updates work. Let's tweak some font sizes here in the visual preview. Back in Figma, hit the refresh button at the top of the plugin. And look! The plugin shows exactly what changed. A clear diff, so there are no surprises. We can see the font size values are different, line height has recalculated, letter spacing too. And notice, only the desktop mode is affected. Everything else stays untouched. Sync all and everything is up to date. That's the full workflow. Create an API key, connect a plugin, sync your tokens, and push updates with a single click. Source of truth stays in Systematically.